Hello everyone, my name is Tim Howard and I'm the Chief Innovation Officer for Vish. And the idea for Vish came from my time in the industry, identifying the problems that we had in the color bar, and I set out many years ago to fix that problem. Yeah, so what Vish does is we operate and manage the hair color side of the business. So on your color bar, you'll see our Vish equipment. So it consists of a tablet and a Bluetooth scale. And what we did is really mimic the process that you're already doing behind the color bar. As you're mixing color, we're basically working with you to record everything that you're doing so you don't have to. Through this, we're able to ensure consistency not only in hair color results, because all the formulas are recorded each and every time, but also for how much product is being used and when there's a charge, an overage that occurs during the mixing and application process, we ensure that is pushed to the front desk so that they know how much to charge the customer rather than having to run around and ask you exactly were there any add-ons to the service, was there any extra product used. And then all of that we package up into our dashboard, which gives you the opportunity as salon owners and managers to review color usage from your team members and just to get the overall health performance of your hair color business. So the solutions that we offer Meevo users, I'm really excited about. What we're able to do is make sure that whatever is booked in Meevo is now visible in Vish. So through our integration, we take the appointments, the customers, and the services that are getting done and make sure that they're available and ready when your team are ready to mix color. So that ensuring that the right service is done, that the formulas that are being done are recorded and they're recorded under the correct services. And when there's a change to the service, that information is captured and then communicated back to the front desk, ensuring consistency when the customer is ready to pay. Making the whole experience seamless, not only for the customer, but for the hairdressers and everybody using the software. So the pain points that Vish solve for the salon and for the hairdressers and for the customers are typically, it starts off with waste. So that's when people come to Vish because they know that there's a problem with waste. We know that we're using too much hair color or we're throwing away too much hair color. That's visible every day when you look in the sink when they're rinsing their bowls. But in addition to that, it's the overall visibility of how well your business is doing. So not only are we able to eliminate waste, we'll also give you insight into ensuring that all services and all employees are equally profitable. And when there's more color mixed than should be for a service, let's say somebody comes in and they have a balayage service, and that service requires a lot more color than normal. We then calculate how much extra product is being used, push the additional price to the front desk so that it's able to be captured, ensuring consistent profitability across the entire salon. So Vish helps you streamline your business and have insight into what's going on in real time through our dashboard. So whether you're a hairdresser, a salon owner that's behind the chair, or you're somebody that is in the office working on the business, we give you that visibility. So you can see the changes that need to happen and then take action upon those changes. Know who's using too much color, what services are costing you too much, how much extra product you should be charging for, but also have real-time access to how your inventory is being consumed to speed up the inventory process as well, ordering less of what you don't use and more of what you are using. In addition to that, you're able to grow your business because you have more time. You're not doing a lot of these manual processes and you're having pinpoint accurate cost of what the services are and how much revenue you're generating. So you can take that revenue and savings and put it back into your business to hire new staff, to do more education, or perhaps even open more locations. So to find out more about Vish, you can visit Meevo Exchange Marketplace inside Meevo or contact the Meevo sales team. You can also go to getvish.com to find out more about Vish, watch some videos, and see exactly our product in action. In addition, I'm excited to offer some free equipment to existing Meevo users who want to sign up and start using Vish. Thank you everybody for listening. I'm very excited to have this partnership with Meevo and Vish. I look forward to working with all of you in the future.